guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I have come to Yamaha to check out the all new Mt15. Like I have heard that it has arrived this showroom, so we'll go inside the showroom and check it out. And let you know guys about the price, the on-road price of the bike. And I'm here with this guy, Tabang. He's like wearing his sunglasses today. So yeah, we'll go inside and check out the bike, the machine. Like it's the most awaited 150cc in the country. Tagline tu kya sila? Start of Japan. Ah, tagline tu? Kya sila tagline tu? Start of Japan.